let them get you off your throne. Perfect just the way you are, you blessed beyond the channel wall. God took his time when he made you. One of a kind, you 100 proof.
Welcome back again, my gorgeous ones, and today I'll be showing you how I achieved this hairstyle. So if you like this hairstyle, stay tuned to the next clip so that you can see how I achieved this, and make sure to watch the whole video and give me a thumbs up if you're feeling it, if you like it. And yeah, so let's just jump right into the clip, and don't forget to subscribe. You can choose to do this hairstyle after you freshly wash your hair, but because I knew I was going to put gel again and I had just took out a style, and I plan on letting it last only for a couple of days, so I didn't choose to wash it. So you'll notice like a little bit of flakiness, and that's probably from the previous hairstyle with the gel, but this is why I'm greasing my scalp. So Oh, the elastic band that was already attached to the hair, I just added on to my ponytail. So here you're just separating 3 pieces with your hair as well as with the actual extension to blend it in, and you just braid. At this point, I was so over it and hot. At this point, I'm just combing out the separated piece so I can wrap it around. My camera had cut off, so I probably didn't get to get the whole entire footage, but I just wanted y'all to see how it looks. And that's the finished product. Got it pretty